All right, man. So this whiz right here, Adam Infroy, this guy here says that to be successful, I need to build out some pillar posts, build a few of those posts, and then be focused on getting backlinks, as in write guest post and get backlinks, write guest post, get backlinks, reach out, guest posts, backlinks. That's the key. No, man, it's these guys right here at Income School that they teach. There's no need to do guest posts, no need to do backlinks. Why would you spend your time reaching out and doing that? That doesn't make any sense. They say crank out the content. Write content, write content, write content, and then eventually you'll get some backlinks. But the more content you have, the more chances you have to rank on page 1 of Google. That's the way to do it. So just what then is the right way? Let's talk about it. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. This is not all I talk about. I don't just talk about SEO and building sites, but I'm all about the hustle. I'm all about entrepreneurship, and one of the things in entrepreneurship is building websites. And so SEO is that world, and I am starting to fall in love with SEO. It's a complete another language, and I'm just really getting into it. Now, we're not going to get into the nitty-gritty of specifics, but as you saw in my intro of what I talked about, you're going to hear different trains of thought as you get out there and you're trying to figure out what strategy to follow, what should I do, what should I look for. Here's the deal, and here's what I want you to take from this. Both of the advice is actually correct, or both of the advice can and will work. So for example, for myself, I'm actually doing a combination of these things. These guys are both super smart guys. Income School, I've been watching a number of their YouTube videos. They teach really awesome stuff. Adam Infroy, really smart dude, recently blew up his, in fact, I'm gonna find a couple of these for you. Here you go. Here's what I was looking for to show you this guy's smart. So almost made $1 million 2020 from his blog. So that's online ads, affiliate revenue is the bulk of his current income. And then you can see this report here, so 83 grand this month. So my point is that these guys are smart and they know what they're doing. But you're going to get differing opinions, right? So you have to take it all with a grain of salt. You have to run it all through your own filter, your mind, your strategy, what works best for you, and then go from there. For example, my website here is brooksconquel.com, and what I've been doing is a combination of both. So that's been my strategy. So I've hired multiple writers that are cranking out. I do the keyword research, they are writing the post, and then I turn around and edit those and get those published. But then I'm also at the same time doing guest post outreach and attempting to do guest posts in order to get links back to my website. So I'm doing both at the same time. It probably means I'm growing a bit slower than I could maybe if I just focused on doing guest post outreach and trying to get backlinks. But to me, that's a slower process. And so I'm just interested to do both. I'm interested to try to rank for lower competitive keywords. And then I'm also interested in trying to get the links back, right? So you can see here I am right now, like fairly new to the game of what I'm doing. I really just started getting excited in right around this time. August, September is when I started writing, getting content created. I'm really excited. So as of I'm creating this video on April Fool's Day, April 1st, and I'm excited for the March information to come in, because this should have still gone up just kind of based on my Google search trends and what's going on there. So all you need to take from this is just know that like the strategies that you learn and that you see from folks online, you have to run it through your business model, your goals, and what you can do. And just know that both of these strategies might work coming from experts with differing opinions. So that's all you need to remember. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'd love to connect with you. Comment down below. Let me know if you have a website, if you're building a blog, what questions you have. I'd be happy to try to answer those, maybe even make another video out of it. And yeah, look forward to connecting with you soon. Thanks. Take care.